Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the marks distribution over the different chapters that we have in the syllabus for ISC as prescribed by the council. If you want to see similar videos, hit the like button and click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified every time a new video is shared. Share this video with your friends as well. So without further ado, let's get started and understand the marks distribution from each of the chapters for this 80 marks paper that we will be appearing for. This is a 3 hours paper as you know. The entire paper will be distributed into three sections, section A, B and C, where section A is compulsory and we have to attempt either of section B or C. Mostly it is section B, which is management accounting, followed in most of the schools. Let's see what is the marks distribution that we have. From fundamentals of partnership, we have 10 marks allocated, which includes the PL APRO, the guarantee of profit, and the past adjustments. Together, you have 10 marks. So, generally, this will be a full-fledged sum of 10 mark, one entire sum of 10 marks, or can be subdivided into smaller portions like 1 mark, 2 marks, and then 7 mark question in the same question, total 10 marks. Then we have goodwill and admission, retirement, and death, together comprising 15 marks. So here you can expect some short questions, some 1 mark questions, some 3 marks questions, and a 6 mark question as well. We'll see the analysis in a few minutes of how the distribution looks like in a paper. Then we have dissolution, which comprise 8 marks, and straight away you can understand from here this is a 2 plus 6 combination where you have one question of 6 marks and other two will be the short questions, 1 mark each. Then we have the company accounts. Issue of shares has got 11 marks, and you can easily make out this is a 1 plus 10 combination where you have 1 mark in the short question and a 10 mark sum, a full-fledged sum here. Then issue of debentures and the redemption of debentures comprise total of 9 marks. This will be again a combination of short questions where you have 1 mark questions. There can be 3 questions of 1 mark each. Then you have 3 marks question and then there can be a 6 marks question, but mostly debenture is limited into 3 marks questions. Then we have final accounts of companies. Again, from the marks you can easily make out this is a 1 plus 6 combination where there will be 1 mark for a short question and then a 6 mark question from here. Then in the management accounting, financial statement analysis is allocated 4 marks. So easily this is a 1 plus 3 combination where you have 1 mark question and a 3 marks question. Cash flow statement is 8 marks, which is 2 plus 6 combination. So there will be 2 short questions of 1 mark each and a 6 marks question from cash flow. Ratio analysis as well, 2 plus 6 combination. So same combination here as well. 2 questions of 1 mark each and then a 6 marks question. You can expect some options in between the question itself. However, it will be like within the same type of questions. Only in case of retirement and death, you can see that whether there is a sum of death and in the option you have the sum of retirement. However, for other cases wherever you have a or question, it will be from the same chapter. All right, having discussed this, having understood the marks distribution, let's have a look how the paper look like for the ISC specimen paper and the 2023 paper that we have, how the marks distribution look like. So if you see here in the fundamentals, this specimen paper and the 2003 paper both have a single question of 10 marks. So again here you have a subdivision in the specimen paper where you have Roman 1, Roman 2, and Roman 3, where it was divided into 1 mark question, a 2 marks question, and then a 7 marks question. However, it was a complete 10 marks question. Coming to the next set, goodwill, admission, retirement, and death, you have 3 questions of 1 mark each in both of these papers, 2 questions of 3 marks each, and a 6 marks question. So that is the same pattern. However, chapter distribution may be different. As you can see in the specimen paper, you have 1 3 marks question from goodwill and 1 from retirement. Here you have 2 questions, both from retirement, both 3 marks question. And in both the cases, the 6 marks question was from the admission chapter. Coming to dissolution, the same pattern we can see in both of these, like there were 2 questions of 1 mark each and 1 question of 6 marks. Coming to issue of shares, same pattern in both the papers, 1 question of 1 mark and a 1 10 marks question. Issue of shares. Issue of debentures and redemption of debentures, there are 3 questions of 1 mark each, as you can see here, and 2 questions of 3 marks each in both the cases. From final accounts, this is a 1 plus 6 combination, so 1 question of 1 mark and 1 question of 6 marks in both the cases. And the section B is quite consistent in terms of marks distribution because there is not much scope here. So 1 question of 1 mark from financial statement analysis, which is common size, comparative size statements. And then we have 1 question of 3 marks, cash flow as well, 2 plus 6 combination. So 2 plus 6 combination here as well. Hope this was helpful. This will help us to focus and prepare accordingly, be better prepared and pay more attention in these chapters where we have a single question of 10 marks from fundamentals and from issue of shares. So happy learning, happy preparation. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments box below. I'll help you out. We'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.